Hello and welcome to Carv. This video is for educational purposes and only. I'm gonna dive into what Carv is, what can you do on Carv, what badges can you get, what networks you're gonna have to use to be able to participate, and it's all about fun. Number one, you're gonna need Polygon and Polygon network. Gonna need BNB and Open BNB network, and gonna have to pass KYC on Zkimi. As well, there's extra rewards if you're a Carv staker and a Carv holder. Some of the events will require that. Here's a quick look at Season 3 airdrop and what can you do to maximize it. But let's start with the basics. Number one, you're going to have to set up your profile. If you use EVM wallet as the login method, it's going to be set up as your main account. Make sure you link the rest of your accounts, update your profile. Once it's all done, it's going to look something like this. You can find your Carv UID under your profile picture and make sure every day to log in and claim that exp. By completing your profile, you'll complete some of the tasks by default. Now let's follow 5 games. Press that button, or alternatively from drop down menu, choose games, then follow 5 games. Once you've done it, go back, it will refresh and you can claim the exp. Once you've done them all, it should look something like this. They'll help you to earn the levels on the seasonal ladder board. Data to earn is a big part of Carv. This, for example, has 200 USDT pool. It's shared amongst all and everyone who participates in this one. For that, you're going to need Play ID. To be honest, you're going to need Play ID for all and everything on Carv. For that, you're going to have BNB on Open BNB network. 13 characters or more is the cheapest one. Once you've minted your Play ID, you can go back and complete the task. Sometimes you'll have to provide proof of work with the screenshots. Some other tasks will involve you have the secret keyword, which is usually shared during the AMA or some game nights, for example. You will need Polygon to complete the transaction. Once you've completed the data turn tasks, you'll be rewarded with USDT on Polygon network. You will have to pass KYC to be able to claim your rewards. And once you've completed more than enough, then minimal withdrawal is $1. But here I've accumulated over the half a year to 26. So now I'm withdrawing. It took 24 hours to land in my wallet. Under the seasonal tasks, you're going to find loads of different kind of tasks. For example, one of them is follow 15 carvers. Well, first one is follow 5 carvers, second is follow 10, third one is follow 15. If you hit that button, it will take you to the main page. You can scroll down and follow 15 carvers if you're absolutely new to the Carv. As you can see, I'm already following quite a few, so I'm going to use my cheat code. I've been on Carv for quite a while. Just hit followers, then hit the follow back button. And once I got it, I can claim my exp and climb the seasonal ladder board. As the rewards and gems, the Carv itself is one big gem, to be honest, because you can get gems for almost every event there is. If they don't hold gem rewards, it's usually because they got some bigger, higher, more valuable rewards like whitelist mint on some partner project or something like that. This event was really easy to complete. Just follow 2 links, then you can mint it on Open BNB, and for that you're going to get 200 gems. There are way more ways how you can get gems. For example, by completing seasonal level, you're going to get boxes in like level 5, 10, 15, and 20, which hold more gems for you, which you can spend later on in the shop. For example, here I played on the Carv game night, which was held on Telegram. This game is a lightweight, any computer can handle it, so it's not a biggie. For that, you need to take a couple of screenshots, listen till the end, get that secret keyword. You're gonna need it to complete this task. This is proof of work. I've submitted. Then I went over and submitted my audience badge. That way I get 2 for the price of 1. It's always nice to get extra gems, but let's dive into Season 3 airdrop, and it has got staking. So, for example, this, you don't have to stake anything and still participate in the event. I was assured that Telegram game night's not going to have a staking thing on top, but let's dive into the staking. Number one, you need to stake 100 Carv for at least 180 days to be able to claim the badge. You're going to have to claim the badge, mint it, then you're going to get the Discord role. Then you need 100 Carv on top in your wallet to be able to claim the holder's role. S rank, gonna get you invited to private events, and there's another ladder board to climb, but it's time limited. Now let's get some more Carv. Go to stake, then hit that, get more Carv, then follow the official links and only. For example, this particular case, I'm using airdrop, which is on base network. Time of writing or time of recording this video, it took me 0.03 Ethereum to get 200 Carv. Why I need 200 Carv? Because I need to stake 100 and then I need another 100 on my wallet to get both of the roles. Whitelist is uploaded once every 24 hours, so if you just bought a Carv, you might need to have to come back next day to be able to claim your B rank badge. It is minted on Polygon network. Once you've covered your badge, go back to Discord, go to verify your NFT and hit that start button under the guild. If you haven't got a guild, you'll have to create your account, you have to link it up, and then it's all going to sync up and going to be able to go back and verify your NFT. Then you're going to be able to participate in Discord game nights and claim your badges. By carving this badge, you can progress on a weekly, monthly, as well as seasonal challenge. You'll see them. The more you carve them, the more XP you can get. Well, not really, they're limited. But now let's dive into the carved gems. So the monthly challenge, maximum is to spend 3,000 gems and enter 15 times into the raffle. If you win a game, you're going to get a Steam code. You can claim it and get the game. If you get any of these gift cards, it's going to be equal 10 USDT on Polygon network. But now let's dive into the big ones. Let's have a look at this one. So 10 entries is maximum. Actually, it doesn't matter if it's the big one or USDT or the game. 10 is the maximum you can enter. If you hit it once, you're going to go up by 1. If you hit 10 in one go, or in this case, I put 8 in one go, as you can see, it only went up by 1. So you need to slow down and make sure you have enough gems to complete all the tasks and go one by one. If you win or wondering if you have won any of these raffles, as well as there's way more ways how you can win or participate on Carv. For example, like here, I just had to predict the tournament, who's going to win it, and I won 50 Carv just like that. You can always go to the Discord and check it out. Gametime on Carv is part of weekly as well as monthly challenge, but before you dive into that, you need to make sure you have set your Steam account to public, as well as you hit that start button under the weekly and monthly challenge. If you haven't done either of those things, none of your gaming hours is going to count towards your weekly as well as monthly. Once you've completed enough, you can claim your level 10 as well as level 20 seasonal badge. Is going to be SBT on Polygon network, which means you can't move them, you can't transfer them, you can't sell them. Make sure this is your main wallet. Carv Guilds, they have their own events, they have their own perks, rewards, etc. If you're a big time fan of a game, make sure you join it. You can get involved with Carv on way many more levels than just that. As for example, you can become a Carv node runner. Yes, price has gone up. We are in tier whatever we are. As for example, if you were early like Yellow Panther, who's already breaking even on his investment, so basically he's just minting it now. Then Carv SVM, while everything else does involve actually paying you the price for it. SVM is running on a testnet at the moment, which is part of season 3 airdrop. It's testnet tokens. It costs you nothing apart from your time. Let's dive into the Jini statement. She's a lovely Carv Korean community manager, and I think she's on the money. Season 3, 3.5% allocation. This is big. Coming November 2025. Stay safe and Carv.